Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to show you top 10 best free note-taking apps that you can use today. So without wasting your time, let's get started. First app which I want to show you is called Notion. Notion is an amazing tool to take notes, and you can also manage all of your daily tasks, and you can add to-do list in Notion. I personally love Notion and I use Notion on the daily basis. You can add as many notes to Notion as you want. You can create a to-do list, and you can also embed images and videos to Notion. You can see this by just copying and pasting. You can add the images, and you can also create this type of board view in Notion for managing your daily tasks, and you can also add notes and calendar view to Notion. All right, now let's go to our second app, which is called Evernote. Evernote is also a great app which you can use for note taking. You can add tasks, you can add notes, you can highlight text, and you can add images, videos, and you can add different colors to the notes, and you can also change the color of the writing and much more. And in this section, as you can see, you can add number list, checklist, and you can also insert the links, and you can do much more in this Evernote. And in the Evernote, you can link other apps, and you can also change the preferences and login and security. And you can also connect other devices to manage your profile. You can also download the app in your mobile phone, and then you can keep adding notes on daily basis. And in the tag section, you can add tags, and you can search things by using tags. You can also use shortcuts to find any specific topic or specific chapter by using the shortcuts. And this is the dashboard and home section of Evernote. You can add a scratch pad, and you can also add your to-do list here. For example, you can add your tasks, your daily tasks here in the scratch pad, and then you can access these scratch pad to your mobile phone or iPhone, etc. And by clicking on create new note, you can create a new note, and then you can add writing, and you can explore many other options like task list, calendar, event, table, divider, attachment, photo, and you can also link your Google Drive with Evernote as well. Now let's go to our third app, which is called Simple Note. Simple Note is a simple note-taking app which you can use, and you can also do many things in Simple Note. As you can see, you can write text, you can highlight text, and you can use this toggle focus list, and you can also add a new note. This is a simple app which you can use to add your notes, and you can add images and video links to simple notes as well. Now let's go to our fourth app, which is called Standard Notes. Standard Note is similar to Notion and Evernote, which you can use to create notes, and you can also manage your daily tasks, and you can increase your productivity by using Standard Notes. Standard Notes are very helpful as a team. If you are managing a team and you are the CEO or manager of your team, then you can use these Standard Notes. As you can see, you can add text to this Standard Notes, and you can add links, you can add attachments, and you can also add plain text, rich text, and you can also use code section. This tool also have paid plans, but in the free plan you can only use this plain text, and if you want to use the code section or spreadsheet, then you have to upgrade the plan. Our fifth note-taking app is called Google Keep. Google Keep is an amazing tool which you can use as a student and as a video creator as well. The amazing thing about Google Notes is it has a gallery view where you can easily access all of your tasks, and you can see everything what is written inside this page, and you can easily open it, and then you can do whatever you want. And if you want to create a new list, click on this, and then you can name the list, and for example creating a video, and then you can choose your background color, you can add the images, you can archive it, and you can do much more in this Google Notes. You can use this app, increase your productivity, and as a note taking app. And in the Google Keep, you can also add reminders and you can also edit labels. In the Google Notes, you can create drawings, you can use highlighter, you can use different pens, and as you can see, you can do many things in Google Keep. If you are a student, then obviously you should check it out. And here is the square and table view, which you can choose, and then you can select a pen and you can start drawing. Our sixth app is OneNote. Microsoft OneNote is also an amazing tool for note taking. First, you have to create a notebook, for example, my book, and once it's created, now inside this book, now you can manage and add your notes and you can edit your notes. Now, here you can see you can add pages inside your OneNote and then you can start writing your notes. And inside OneNote, you can bold the text, you can highlight it, you can underline it. And Microsoft OneNote is kind of similar to Microsoft Word, which you can use as a student. And you can change the styles. And there are many other sections, for example, insert, where you can insert tables, files, pictures, you can insert links and audio and emojis. And in the draw section, you can draw diagrams and you can use eraser, pen, and pencil to draw the diagrams. And then you can also change the colors of your diagrams as well. And in the view section, you can see you can change the page color, you can change the rule lines, you can change the page version and show authors and many other things. OneNote is a very amazing tool. I would recommend you to use it if you are a student or whatever you are doing. If you want to use a note-taking app, then I would definitely recommend you to check out OneNote. All right, now let's go to our seventh app, which is called Ample Note. Ample Note is also very useful when it comes to note taking. You can add checklist, you can add to-do list, and you can add your notes in Ample Notes. As you can see, you can add the jots, you can add the notes. For example, I am going to start a new note, and then here you can see, and then now you can here paste the text, and now you can change a heading, you can add a list to this section, you can add number list, you can add list, you can insert links, images, pdfs, and you can also add a code block in this ample note. Ample note is very useful if you want to write coding as well. As you can see, you can add a code block in this. And then here is the task section where you can add your daily tasks, and once it's done you can check this list and it will be moved from here. You can add many tasks as you want, and inside the ample note you can also manage your calendar, and you can also add your tasks inside the calendar, and then you can manage them on the daily basis as well. You can explore it if you want to use the ample note. The eighth note-taking app is called Mem. So mem.ai is also an amazing and productive tool when it comes to note-taking. Here you can see you can add your notes inside the mem.ai, and you can create your to-do list, you can add bullet list, and you can also share this note with other follow creators and follow students as well. Here you can see your timeline. Inside your timeline you can see your notes, and if you want to create a new note, click here and then you can start writing. Here are your tasks. You can manage your daily tasks here inside this task section. You can also use the shortcuts enter, control enter, and alt enter, etc. to mark down and open your file. And here is the tag section where you can use tags to easily find your notes. You can add your tags inside the notes. And our ninth note-taking app is called Slide. Slide is an amazing tool where you can add your notes here, and then you can edit your notes. You can highlight text, you can add different sections by clicking here. You can copy the link. You can draw a sketch inside this. You can see, you can check it out, and then you can see how you can draw sketches and diagrams. Here now you can see your sketch, and then you can add the caption inside the sketch, and then you can also add files, images, and tables. You can also add code snippets, and you can link or document to this slide as well. Here you can also check out, you can create a quote, hint, and you can also tag someone in your team, and you can also attach many other platforms like Trello, Google Drive, Google Maps, Figma to slide as well. And inside the this discussion board, you can discuss all of your ideas with your fellow students, and you can open a new discussion, you can start a new discussion, you can close a discussion if it's done, and you can find the solutions of your problems. And here are your channels, one-on-one meeting list where you can meet with your fellows, and you can ask questions, you can add peoples by using their emails. Alright, our 10th note-taking app is called Aura. Is a simple tool for students which you can use to start learning. For example, here are some lectures in this student document, and you can also help your fellow students by uploading our document. Then you can also explore it. I'm not familiar with this, which you can obviously check this out. It's an amazing tool, I think. You can see there are many other files here inside this student document, and here is in my inside my library you can check out the courses, you can add books, and you can also add study list, recent documents, and recommended courses. You can upload PDF files, images, videos, whatever you want. All right. Now, here I have one bonus note taking app for you as well, which is called Grammarly. Yeah, you hear correct. You can use Grammarly to find your grammatical mistakes, but you can also use Grammarly for note taking as well. For example, here in the new section, you can click on new, and then you can upload your documents here, and you can write your documents inside Grammarly as well. You can see you can write here and you can paste your documents here as well. And here are a few options available. You can choose heading, you can upload a file, you can edit it and print it, etc. And you can also set up your team's communication by using this Grammarly. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoy watching this video. And like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks. See you in the next video.